Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. I hope all are good. Today I am going to teach you grammar. Okay, let us start. I am writing a sentence. Here, so read carefully. She bought a dress. Stop. Next. I ate an apple. Stop. Then once again, next sentence I am writing here. Rahul saw a cat in the house. Full stop. I have written a sentence. Now I am explaining one by one. Okay. First, she bought a dress. She bought a dress. What she bought? What did she buy? What did she buy? She bought a dress. Here, Here, I have circled here. How many dresses she buy? How many dresses did she buy? She bought a dress. Means one dress here. Okay. This word shows this one thing. Next, I ate an apple. Suppose I ate an apple. Here, and it is the two-letter words. And apple, it is the common noun. Dress also common noun. Here, and these are the articles. You know very well, or and these are the articles. Today, I am going to teach you articles. Or and these are the articles. It comes before the common noun, singular common noun. Here, a dress. It shows one dress, singular common noun. Here, I ate an apple, and it's come before the common noun, singular common noun. Okay, but there is difference. When should we use a? When should we use a article? A article we should have to use it before the consonant sound. Before the singular common noun, it comes such as a dog, a cat, a chair. Here, these nouns are singular common noun. Okay, so it comes a. And consonant sound, it's pronounced, that time you have to use a article. And then next, when should we have to use an article? When should we have to use an article? An article also used for the singular common noun. Singular common noun. And we have to use and before the singular common noun, as well as when the vowel sound pronounced. When the vowel sound, which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. If the vowel sound pronounced, we have to use the and. For example, an umbrella. Here, umbrella is a sound pronounced. Okay. Next, an engine. Here, E sound pronounced. Engine. An engine, an umbrella. Which sound pronounced here? Vowel sound pronounced. So we have to use and this article before the vowel sound, before the singular common noun. Hope you have understood. And these are the articles, indefinite articles. Okay. They use or refer for any object, anything, or any person, or in general. See here, a dress, an apple. It comes before a singular object, singular person, singular place. Chair, a cat, an umbrella. Okay, and engine. Next, the next article it is the. The it is the definite article. Okay, I am writing here on the next side. The it is the definite article. Okay, I am writing here. The it is the definite article. We should use it's refer for the specific thing, specific person or specific place. We should have to use the. It shows the particular thing or particular place name, particular person's name, and that time we have to use the article. For example, the Taj Mahal. The Ganga river. All the inputs name we have to use. We have to use the before the all the forts name, all the famous building we have to use the because it is a special, it is a particular place's name, and the river's name, all the days of the week, all the month of the year, January, February. Before that we have to use the definite article because these words are special names. For the book, Bible, then Bhagavad Gita, we have to use the before these books because these books are special, particular. Next, also we have to refer the if the same object or same place or same person again it is repeated. So we have to use there the. If it is this name is repeated second times, you have to use the. Let us see the example. Rahul saw a cat in the house. Rahul saw a cat in the house. Next, he saw here a cat. So we have to use here the. In place of a, we have to use the because the cat is repeated. It is repeated 2 times. He saw the cat. He saw the cat. He saw the cat was chasing a mouse. Because why I use here the? Why? Because the cat is common and singular noun. Singular, it's written. It's come again. It repeated more than 1 time. So we should have used the. We should have used the here because the cat. This word is repeated more than 1 times. So we should have to use the. Okay. So listen once again. When we refer the same object, place name or person name for the second time, it becomes specific, and we need to use the definite article the before it. Hope you have understood with the help of this example. Now let us move towards the exercise. Aunt Ruby had bought dash parrot from dash bird catcher. So, what is the correct answer? Aunt Ruby had bought a parrot from a bird catcher. A article is come there. Second, a princess lived in the palace in London. Third sentence, they went for a stroll in the park. They went for dash stroll in dash park. The answer is there. They went for a stroll. A stroll in the palm. Next, fourth one, dash dash Prime Minister inaugurated dash dash new hospital. The Prime Minister inaugurated a new hospital. It's come there or you can use there the also. The Prime Minister inaugurated the new hospital because it is the new, so you can use there the. You can choose, you can write anyone or the in this blank, the new hospital. Okay. Fifth one, dash dash apple dash dash a day keeps dash dash away doctor away. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Sixth, he went on inexpensive holiday to the mountain. He went on an inexpensive because I is inexpensive. Here I vowel is pronouns. Vowel sound pronouns, so we have to use there an inexpensive holiday to the mountain. So I hope you understood this filling the blanks. Now let us see the question C. Read these sentences and add the wherever required. We have to use the definite article wherever is required, wherever necessary. First, we visited Taj Mahal last month. We visited the Taj Mahal. I have already said you. Taj Mahal is the particular name of building, famous building. So we have to use the before the Taj Mahal. Okay. So write the sentence. We visited the Taj Mahal last month. Second, dog was sleeping in the basket. Here, dog was sleeping in the basket. The dog. Who's sleeping? The dog. So we have to use the before the dog word. Write the sentence. Write the answer. The dog was sleeping in the basket. Okay. Third, my cousin visited us in winter of 2018. My cousin visited us in the winter. The winter. Winter के before the winter we have to write that the winter of 2018. Fourth one, Rita was a kind teacher. Rita was a kind teacher. There is no need to use the definite article. No need to use the article. Okay. So write the sentence as it is. Rita was a kind teacher. Fifth sentence, we eat lots of ice creams in month of June. We eat lots of ice cream in the month of June. Before the month word we have to write there. We have to write there the in the month of June. Last one, the principal of our school is reputed teacher. Before the principal word we have to use there, we have to add the. Write the answer. The principal of our school is a reputed teacher. Now I have completed this exercise. All of you have to complete your exercise. Okay. Hope all of you have understood the articles, definite article and indefinite article. So this the is used before the specific and particular name of person or name of a place or thing. Okay. And second time, if the word is repeated second time, we have to use in place of noun. Sorry, we have to use the before the noun. We have to use there the before the noun because same noun is repeated second time, more than one time, so we have to use there the definite article. Okay. Hope all of you have understood this video. If you understood, then subscribe